Hey friends, welcome back. I'm in Istanbul, here in Turkey, and yeah, you probably have watched the Grand Bazaar tour already. And we just exited and we were walking down the street. And we didn't know really where we were going, but we just like happened that. By the way, just before the same group, we have Nicholas, and we have Ocean, and we have Sinem.
Hi.
They were not ready. I just made the intro immediately. I did not say anything. I just said I'm just gonna do it because like the moment I really want to document and capture, and I'll explain in a moment what happened. So we were walking down the street, and Ocean ended up speaking to a local man. Gulen. Yeah, I'll introduce you to him in a second. And we kind of thought that we lost her. So we looked back and we saw her speaking to this man. So we walked back to check out like what is going on. And one thing led to another. This man is an amazing human being. I'll introduce you to him. His name is Gulem.
Bülent.
Bulent.
Yes.
Bulent. Sorry, Bulent.
Bülent, yes.
This is Bulent, and he is the owner of this shop over there. But randomly, he invited us also for tea. So at the moment we are just drinking tea, sitting here in the middle of the street. Well, not the middle, on the side, still in a safe area. And we're having a conversation. He speaks like
Seven languages.
7 languages he speaks. What are they?
I speak English, French, Germany, Italian, Russian, and Greece. But plus now I learning Urdu.
And he's learning Urdu as well, because like 7 languages apparently is not enough, so he must add one more. And then after that, I don't know what he's gonna do. What happened to Chinese?
Chinese.
It's difficult.
If I find something Chinese, I will learn also.
So is it depends on the customers?
Of course.
Ah, it depends on the customers. Respect.
She's from China.
No. This is like the world.
In the world.
Yeah, this is for everybody. It's China, Turkey, America, England, India, everybody. Everybody will watch this.
Very
Yeah.
nice. Very nice.
And after the tea, I'm gonna go inside the shop and I want to take a tour because I'm very curious about it. The way how outside it looks really beautiful, and like you go like it's kind of underground in a way. So I want to go inside, and he said to me, like I said to him, it's very beautiful outside. He said it goes all the way in, and I want to check it out after tea. And I'm gonna give you a tour about his shop and the material and what he's selling, because I think it's quite interesting actually from just sitting here watching this. So momentarily after we drink the tea, and tea is cultural here in Turkey. If you're offered tea, you always say yes.
Me also, I speak 7 languages, but
just
only
a
the
few
bad
words.
words.
So delicious.
Nice.
I love it. Right, so we just finished the tea now. We're gonna walk in the shop, and he's gonna give me a tour. I'm very curious about the shop. I want to check it out, and we'll bring you along with us. So it is called Twins Gallary, and it's like so cool, like, you know, you walk in the street like this is the walkway, and you just walk in downstairs. So it's pretty much like now I'm like it's like down, like it's underground, and here's the shop, and he's the boss, and there is a reason why they call it Twins Gallery. I hope I can show you why in a moment. So this is the shop here. Look at those, like it's so beautiful. So beautiful. Women dresses. You can actually see it on the door. It's written real pashmina and pure silk scarves. And it's like authentic, real. I've already double checked to make sure it is real. So we have the cashmere here, like you can feel it. I don't know much about this, to be honest, but You can tell it is real. Like there isn't any BS, and from the shop as well. So nice, silk and cashmere. Very beautiful, like the design. So beautiful. And all these scarves here. Like this is so colorful, so beautiful. Ali,
And downstairs is the carpets.
and the carpets. Ah, there's also carpets here. Wow. Look at this, like what a setup.
Here's carpets. And here is the bed cover.
Bed covers.
Yeah, for tablecloths. Bed cover, double bed, single bed, for table, small table, big table. Like a small table like that.
Like this one here. Yeah. So like you put a carpet like this on the
This is not
table?
carpet, this is for tablecloths, fabric, like fabric.
Oh, okay. So like these are tablecloths. You put them on the.
And these are handmade carpets.
Yeah. Do you want to open one and show us?
Yes.
So let's check out this how it looks. This is like obviously the small kind, and this is handmade.
Old and
Handmade, yeah.
This
And
come from east part from Turkey, from Yahya, and you see they change the colors.
do that again. Oh, did you see that? I don't know if that actually gonna come up on camera, but that was cool. Let's do it one more time, just because of the camera. I just want to see that. That is so cool. Did you notice this? Like every time he flicks it up like that, it's like dark, and then he flicks it up again. It becomes like lighter color, but the design is still obviously the same. I've never seen something like it. It's so cool. And like look how beautiful this is. It's like very authentic shop. And this place, by the way, it's not far from the Grand Bazaar. It's like, I think we
5-6
walked,
minutes.
yeah, about 5-6 minutes walk, and we just bumped into it after we finished the first video of the Grand Bazaar. Before that, I'll link it below. Check it out. But there's a kicker out of this, and I investigated even further off camera, and I'm gonna share it in a moment. And yeah, it's so gorgeous here, like the carpets, everything. It's just the shop in general is so beautiful.
This is Kurdish kilim.
Kurdish
Kilim, yeah.
kinim,
Kilim, like flat weaving.
flat.
Carpet is nuts.
Okay.
Kilim is flat weaving.
Ah, weaving.
Embroidery
Okay.
technique, different technique.
Flat weaving. Okay. Wow.
And these are silk carpets.
Silk carpets. Wow. Bro, you gotta touch this. Oh my God, that you can sleep on this. Wow. The feeling on this is amazing.
Old Istanbul.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful painting too.
Yeah.
The texture is amazing. Look at the back. It's like another picture in the back. Well, it's the same one, but like amazing. How much this goes for?
Depends on the customer.
So how much is this?
This one 350 euro we sell.
350 euros because
Silk.
silk. And do you like? Is that supposed to be on the ground or framed? How
Framed.
framed, right?
For the decoration. For decoration.
And do you
Or you can use hanging.
hanging? Yeah.
But if some customers say, "Can you make frame?" We make also the frame. We
Okay.
have 2 weeks ago one customer. We have a frame for carpet there. But people say, "I don't want to take with me. It's difficult to America." And we take the carpet. We give it just carpet and frame stay with me.
Okay. So this here is 350 euros. And without a frame.
I mean, if you want, I can make frame, no problem.
And if with frame, how much?
50 euro or more.
Okay. Awesome. At least we know the prices. And why? What makes your shop different from the Grand Bazaar? Because I've been already in the Grand Bazaar, and I've seen carpets.
Grand
I've
Bazaar
seen.
is tourist, you know, tourist place, and also the price 2-3 times expensive. Because tourists go there, why? For shopping. But my shop, tourists coming sometimes say, I want to think about it. It's okay. But if you go to Grand Bazaar, 99% you must buy because shopping center, like shopping center, that's why. And
Right.
also our price is reasonable price because our rent is cheap.
It's cheaper, of course.
If you go Grand Bazaar, small shop, you pay rent about 7,000, 8,000, 10,000 euro per month. How much I can pay here? 1,500 euro.
Yeah, of course, of course.
That's right.
Yeah,
This is the difference.
yeah.
Second point is like this.
So the reason why it's called Twins Gallery is because number one, there is this is one continuous shot. Number one is because of this man here. Okay, now look at his face.
Yes.
Right, they're very important. He's gonna stay here. The camera is gonna go on one continuous shot. All right, where is he? He's outside. Okay, you see, I'm walking out, and there is also number two here.
Hello. Welcome to
And they are the guys, the owner of Twins Gallery here in Istanbul. Very nice people. you can see him coming out here. Also here. It's just amazing, like we bumped into them. Very nice people. We're having tea, chatting with them, and yeah, getting a tour and just seeing like a different kind of style from the Grand Bazaar. I think like it's quite interesting, and he made a really good point about the prices. And we've already been there, like at the Grand Bazaar. They are a bit. The Grand Bazaar, everything is just high. It is very touristic. Here we are outside. Obviously, the rent is cheaper. It's something like to consider. Okay. Anyway, this is the tour of local authentic shop here in Istanbul. If you're curious where it is, I'll link it below also as well on the map. But for that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you stuck around, alright, please do consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up. It's good for the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.